Well, there's breaking news coming in at this hour. This is in context of the Chhattisgarh train accident. The latest that we're tracking is that 11 people have been killed. Important information coming in at this hour is 11 people have been killed and 20 people have been injured. Important to understand that this happened after the passenger train collided with a goods train. Important information we're tracking at this hour as the death toll now stands at 11 with about 20 people injured in the tragedy. Causing the tragedy, the passenger train collided with the goods train. We also have a couple of reactions coming in. Take a look.
जानकारी के हिसाब से 5 लोगों की मौतें इस दुर्घटना से हुई है। कुछ लोग हताहत हुए हैं। जो हताहत हुए हैं उनको हॉस्पिटल में भर्ती कराया गया है और उनका इलाज प्रारंभ कर दिया गया है। जिनकी जाने इस घटना में गई है उनके प्रति मैं विनम्र श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करता हूं। रेलवे प्रशासन की टीम, राज्य प्रशासन की पूरी टीम राहत और बचाव कार्य में त्वरित रूप से पहुंचकर किए हैं और ये दुर्भाग्यजनक घटना हुई है। इसकी जांच होगी और जांच पर जो भी दोषी पाया जाएगा कार्रवाई होगी।
Well, on this, my colleague Anurag joining us on the telecast. Now, Anurag, walk us through the details. Of course, we're learning tragic news coming in from Chhattisgarh. What exactly happened?
Yes, in this unfortunate incident, around 11 people have lost their lives and a few people are still admitted in different hospitals. Few of the injured have been shifted to the Apollo Hospital and Chhattisgarh Institute of Medical Sciences also. The condition of few of them is said to be in critical condition. The Memu train collided with a goods train from behind, and the engine is in the front coach, and some passengers were also there. That coach has also been damaged. The track is also severely damaged, and all the senior railway officials as well as the administrative officials are there. And the state government has said that they stand with the affected families during this difficult times, and all the necessary resources and medical assistance are being ensured for the treatment of the injured.
Right, Anurag, thank you so much for joining us and sharing those details.